Hello, I'm Michelle from Debonair Do's, and I'm going to teach you how to create a bumper bang, which is another iconic 1940s hairstyle that you can enjoy wearing on VE Day. So for this you're going to need again a couple of combs. A back combing comb is really handy. If you don't have one of those, just a fine tooth comb is really good as well. Some bobby pins. If you have really fine hair, you can use one of these, which was a hair donut which I cut in half. That helps pad out and form the bumper bang or the fringe part. Some hairspray, and we've got some hair flowers as well. Also got a couple of sectioning clips to hold the hair back. So let's begin with our first section. So what we want is a horseshoe shape that is going to help form part of our bumper bang, which is the big part at the front. So literally just take your finger and make that shape through here, or you can also use your comb, making sure the sections are all nice and neat, or fairly neat as we go. Once you've done that, pull your hair back out of the way and give that a brush through. Just pull these pieces back so they're out of your way. And this is what we're going to use to pad out our bumper bang, this section here. So remember our sponge or hair piece here. If you've got really fine hair or long hair, these can be quite good. You can just spray that section and you can use this by rolling the hair into it. So wrap the end around, keeping this section tight, and just rolling it up to your forehead like so. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then you want to pin the sides in and up, so it sort of creates a little U shape, if you like, for the bumper bang. So we get a bobby pin and just place it into the side and underneath. That makes sense. Just get rid of this hair the way. You might need a few to really get that secure. You can also use your comb to just smooth any stray hairs under. Just want to secure the other side. I'll pin that into place. So it's sort of like at the bottom of it and in, and because it's such a good texture, you can really push the bobby pins in and they stay. So now we're sort of forming the part of our fringe, so it's nice and solid and in place there. So the bits that we want to cover, the spongy bits here, we just gently start sweeping and brushing our hair across and to those sides. So it's like sweeping that hair across. And we can manoeuvre the hair where we want, smoothing down as we go. Just a bit more that side. You can actually back comb your hair before as well, which will help give it a bit more grip and strength. But because my hair is so thick, it covers this really nicely anyway. So just sweeping that down to the sides there a little bit more, and that one as well. And you can see it's creating a really nice bumper bang. So the shape that I like to go for is, you can have it like this, that's no problem. When you've got the shape that you want, there's a stray bit of hair there, we can tidy that up in a minute. Now, because it's so secure, you can kind of like start moulding it and bending it into shape. So I like mine to sit just a little bit lower, and because it's if you've anchored it really well, this is the time when you can really get the shape. So I'm going into that type of shape rather than a cross, but it's totally up to you. So I like more of that U shape there. Right, so there's a few stray hairs there either side. Don't worry too much about those as long as you've got it roughly covered. Okay. Any stray hairs that are tickling your forehead, just holding that as well as you go, and then just like shoving them up underneath. Okay. Right, let's give that a spray. Spray into place, and it's pretty good. Your bumper bang. So let's do the sides now. So the world's your oyster with this. I like to sometimes do victory rolls either side. My hair is curled as well, so we can do nice curls at the side. So with our victory rolls, as I told you before, we need to just section down, I like to the top of the ear. So again, just take from the top of the head here, the crown, down to the top of the ear, and then section back. So let's hold that hair back. Now we've got all this side to play with. So let's give it a little brush out. And because I've got a fresh set, so my hair's quite curly, I've got these end bits that are going to look quite nice curled. So if you wanted to do your victory roll, remember you come out to the side. I'll just spray this section a little bit, and put a bit of back combing into the back just to help secure it. Okay, and then we want to roll round our fingers, or you can roll down using the other technique that I showed you by curling in, and you can place your roll on top, well at the side, and then bring it forward. Tuck that in like so. Just re-roll that one. Just round. Tuck those ends in to form our nice roll. And we'll just secure that with another bobby pin to the centre of the victory roll there, or the roll. Needs another one, needs another one. Let's do that again. There's always one. Go up. Hold that there in place. Get our grip and in. Another one just to hold it there. So there's one. And the other side I thought I'd show you is, and of course you can leave this down as well. There's so many different ways that I like doing it, but again, the section down to the side here, pull the hair back, and I'm going to work with these curls at the end so I can manipulate these curls to how I want, hopefully. And I'm just going to bring the hair right up to the side, so it's going up this time. And I'm literally going to get that down. I'm going to place this here. Can you see? And I'm going to pin that into place. I'm going to use dark pins so that you can see. And just going to put one in there to hold that. And there'll be one at the back, crisscross that over there to hold that. So this part is all free now, as you can see. So you can take these curls and, oops, just needs another pin. Make sure that's secure. There. And then it's just a case of freestyling the curls, keeping them smooth so you can have these lovely little curls on the side. So get them into place. You can bunch them up and just see where they fall, see where you like them. Do it this way. This one. And you can arrange that. You can spend as much or as little time as you want on it to get those there. A nice curl there. Pin that into place, and then these ones can sit here. And sort of like nestled into the side here, like that. And you can just pin those gently into place as well. Arrange them as you want. Get one out here, like this. You can see they just lost a little bit of curl, but you can imagine if they're really, really curly, this is going to be a lot easier. Arrange the curls there. Pin and hide into place. Hide the pin, I should say. So you can have a swirl of curls one side or in one style, or a victory roll the other side. So just a few alternatives, and then make sure the sides are nice and smooth. And then these side pieces here we can disguise, just get those curls nicely like this. We can disguise them with our flowers. So I'm going to put my flower into the side here, like that, and I've just got two colours just to show you the difference. And there we are. And again with the back, get your clips out, give it a brush through. This is also really nice again with a low ponytail, or you can do another little twist at the back and pin your hair up. That's really lovely as well. Or you can leave it down into a more smoother, sleeker look. So there you go. I hope you have a go at these, and they really are amazing hairstyles, and you can just have fun with it and create your own variations. So you can check me out on my Facebook page, Debonair Do's, and have a great time celebrating and remembering at the 75. Bye.